Hello, guys. Good evening.
Sir, good evening.
Hi, nice to see you again. How are you? Good evening. Good evening. Come on, come on. How are you doing, guys? Good.
Very good, teacher.
Nice, 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 nice,
Good
nice.
evening, teacher.
Good evening. Hi. Hello, hello. No me dejen hablando solo, please. No me dejen hablando solo. I feel lonely. Good evening and welcome to our class. Today is September 28th. We are still working on unit number 2.
Good evening, teacher.
Good evening, Lisette. September, unit number 2. I'm sorry, unit number 1. Talking about food. And we are going to continue with this same topic tonight. Now, can you please remind me what we learned yesterday? Do you remember the vocabulary we studied yesterday?
The fruit, vegetables.
We learned vocabulary about fruits, vegetables. Can you tell me some fruits you remember?
Peach.
Melon,
Pineapple, watermelon, apple,
strawberry,
strawberry,
cherry,
cherry,
blueberry,
blueberry, blackberry, whatever berry, toda la berry. Hasta el celular, blackberry, yeah. Now, vegetables. Can you tell me vegetables?
Onion,
onion,
Onion, potato, tomato,
pepper,
pepper,
pepper, yeah.
Peppers.
Yeah, pepper like 4 times. Pepper already. One more. Another one.
Tomato.
Any
Onion.
new? What?
Tomato, potato.
cauliflower,
Cauliflower.
Broccoli.
Radish, broccoli.
zucchini,
Zucchini, eggplant. Yeah, Daniel, your favorite.
cucumber,
Cucumber. Some people say cucumber, some people say cucumber. So, you know, and Samuel that cooks leek with egg, right? For mí pensar en el cebollín con huevo.
Lo hice, teacher.
No, I didn't. No tengo cebollines, but I will get some on the weekend and I will try it.
Okay.
Now, fast food. Tell me examples of fast food.
hamburger,
hamburger,
hot dog,
dog,
Sandwich.
chicken,
sandwich, nugget, chicken nugget,
Kebab.
sandwich, food,
Spaghetti,
Good sandwich.
food,
crepes,
such as what?
crepes, creo que era.
Crepes, yeah. Crepes, salty crepes. Okay. Now, general food.
chicken, spaghetti,
Spaghetti,
beans,
beans,
butter,
Fried chicken.
fried chicken,
Soup,
cheese, soup,
soup,
soap,
chicken,
soup,
fish,
chicken soup,
fish,
soup. Okay, so we are going to continue talking about that. At the end, you were talking about it. Today, we are gonna talk about for some of you, like a review. It's a topic we studied before. But Let's start with introduction vocabulary. Give me 1 second. La picture number 1. Ya que estamos de mayor. Smile. Right. Oh, got it. Ooh. Wait, give me 1 second. Where are you? We are gonna play hangman. It's cool. Tell me letters, and we will identify the different types of food. Website is good for you guys. You can use it for vocabulary. One here. Okay, let's start. Let's get started. Letters. Remember food. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 letters. Give me letters.
A.
A. Nope.
E.
Sorry.
T.
T.
P.
T.
S.
S. Yes, we have one S.
B.
O.
O. No, no O.
B.
M.
B, Daniel, B as in boy or P as in papa?
U.
B boy.
B boy. Yes, we have B.
U. U.
U. Yes, we have a E.
B.
I know it.
R.
A.
R. Y.
E.
R.
Which one?
Y.
I.
I.
C. C.
E.
Z. No, no Z.
C.
C the,
L.
E.
yes. C. What? Which one? I.
M.
Sí, esa persona.
M.
B.
I am. No, no, M.
E. L.
E.
E.
Lot of E.
W.
Cheeseburger. Cheeseburger.
Burger.
H.
H.
Are we missing? What letter are we missing? ¿Qué letra?
H.
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 H and G. G.
G.
G.
Second. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
A.
What?
O. A.
Oh.
O.
Oh, no.
E.
Yes, we have is.
A.
G. G.
S.
M.
M. Yes.
Ice cream.
Ice cream. Yes.
Ice cream.
D.
Air.
D.
Ice cream.
I.
D. R.
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 Ice cream.
Um,
Ice cream.
number 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 letters.
A.
B.
A.
Have one A.
B. I.
I.
B.
Yes.
B.
B.
If.
T.
What?
P.
B.
No, no.
B.
Yeah, P. I know what it is. It's easy. Come on.
T.
Pizza.
C. C. C.
Pizza.
Z. Pizza.
C.
Pizza.
Correct. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 letters again.
A.
O.
S.
M. O. M.
A.
O.
No. O. No.
U.
R.
I.
P.
A.
E.
B.
P.
B.
No.
P.
H.
No B.
C.
F, D, F,
C.
B. The number. Muere.
D,
G,
F,
R.
R,
F,
G,
L,
B, G,
L,
Yes, one P. Casi la salvan.
P,
A la P. Another one.
S,
Yes. Yes.
Ears,
Spears,
okay.
Here. Fruit. All right. Uy. Friol, maestro. Ajá. 1, 2, 3,
Creo
5,
que ahí viene el
8.
A,
A,
C,
A.
E,
C, S,
S.
E.
F,
C.
E,
Yes.
K,
B.
C,
E.
C.
B,
E, R,
B,
R. No.
L,
O.
H,
No.
H,
K, F,
G.
H,
E.
eggplant, eggplant, eggplant,
The letter is N.
M.
M, N,
T,
N, N,
N.
N. T.
T,
T.
T,
The eggplant. Daniel's favorite.
I,
Eggplant. Nice. Next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 letters.
O,
A.
A.
A,
A.
Yes.
B, C,
B.
R,
No. R.
E.
L,
E,
S,
L,
S, S,
M, H, E, U, I,
U. No.
L,
E,
S, S,
C.
D.
N,
N, S,
N.
O,
C.
O,
O.
S,
S,
I,
I.
L,
O.
L,
P,
L. Yes.
P,
P.
P,
O.
D,
D,
S, S,
Y,
P,
Y,
S. S.
D,
Y, D,
I.
R, E,
D,
G,
K,
Come
H, G,
H,
Albert.
F, W,
W,
W. Okay.
el muñeco,
se murió.
F.
Wow.
F.
F,
F.
F.
Waffles. Nice.
O,
Saludong. Next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 letters.
A.
waffles, 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 waffles. Waffles.
Next.
I,
A.
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 No A.
B,
C.
B,
E, E,
No. Yeah. Wow.
R, R,
R.
A,
O. S.
A,
Easy. Easy. Easy.
O,
M,
U,
Mexico.
burrito,
U,
burrito,
burrito,
U.
C,
E.
I,
Ano?
I,
I. Burrito. Burrito.
Burrito.
Burrito. Next.
Qué raro es burrito.
Burrito. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 letters.
A,
A,
Yes.
S,
What?
B, B,
I,
D. No.
S,
Yes.
S,
Oh,
D,
again. Oh.
N, N,
O. No.
N,
What?
N,
N.
N, N,
D,
D,
Z, H,
No.
D,
Z, H,
H.
strawberry,
Yes.
strawberry,
no,
no
sandwich,
strawberry.
sandwich,
W,
Yes, sandwich.
no,
No.
C,
T. Yes.
A,
What?
O,
E, U,
U.
N, M,
U,
No, no, you.
E,
E,
Oh, no, no.
A, Spaghetti. T. L.
Spaghetti.
N,
Spaghetti.
Spaghetti.
G.
N,
Spaghetti.
nice. One more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 letters. Uh-huh.
A.
I, O, A, O,
E. O.
O.
O,
O.
O,
G.
U.
E.
O,
E.
L.
R.
C.
I,
Cheese.
O,
C.
H. S.
C.
H. S.
E. Nice. And one more, the last one. 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 letters. Uh-huh.
R.
A.
R,
R.
no A.
O.
What?
E.
U.
U, no,
E.
no,
S.
C.
no,
M. M.
yes,
M.
M, no,
C.
Z.
W. Y.
T.
Y.
I,
Y.
No, D.
L.
Yo.
L. Ahí está.
Lollipop.
Ay, no.
Se sacaron 9 people. Y ahora, los bombones son malos. Son lollipops. All right, guys. All right, did you like it?
Yes.
I,
I like.
I
I
was
like.
introduced.
like.
I like it. I like it.
I like it.
All right, let's move on. Now, time to talk. Time to talk. Here I have some questions. Okay, can you read question 1?
What do you have?
What do you have?
What do you have
What
for
do you have for?
I eat have and I drink.
So what's question number 1?
What do you have for breakfast?
What do you have for breakfast?
Food.
Question number 2.
What do you have for lunch?
And
What do you have for lunch?
question,
Have for dinner.
what?
What do you have for dinner?
What do you have for dinner?
What do you have for dinner? So you are going to share with your classmates what for breakfast, dinner, lunch. For example, in my case, let me here. How do you say people? How do you say frijoles?
Beans.
How do you say beans?
Fritos?
Pizza. Free.
Beef fry.
Fried.
Fried beans.
Beans fries.
Fried beans.
Fried beans.
Fried beans.
How do you say huevos picados?
I dice fried fishes.
Eggs.
Scrambled eggs.
Uy, no, mi amigo, no. Fried beans. Thank you, Irving. Scramble eggs. How do you say crema?
Scrambled eggs.
Cream.
Huh?
Cream.
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 How do you say queso?
Cheese.
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 Fish.
How do you say how do you say pan?
Bread.
Bread. Bread.
Say plátano?
Banana.
Banana.
Nice banana.
Banana.
Plátano?
Banana.
Banana. Remember, we have banana and we have plátano. La banana es el guineo.
How do you say plátano?
Plátano.
Plantain.
Plantain.
Fried beans, scrambled egg, cream cheese, bread, plantain, and a cup.
Coffee.
This is my breakfast. This is real. sometimes. For breakfast,
Very strange.
I have fried beans, scrambled eggs, bread, plantain, and a cup of coffee. H. Daniel White. Common breakfast. No le puse la papa frita. Okay. For lunch. For lunch, I eat
Chicken, meat,
chicken with rice
Right.
salad,
Salad.
and what?
Vegetable.
Lemon. Lemon.
A vegetable
Coca-Cola.
salad, and no, I don't like soup. Horchata.
You. Yes.
A horchata.
Horchata.
And for dinner, I eat,
Pupusas.
but not every day. But sometimes, yeah. Once again, I eat beans with cream and bread.
Milk.
Milk. You drink milk
Chocolate.
Milk.
like
Coffee.
milk. Milk with coffee. Milk with coffee or coffee with milk?
Coffee with milk.
coffee with milk.
Okay.
Coffee with milk.
So this is the way you will describe it. For breakfast, I have blah, 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 blah. For lunch, I eat or I have cualquiera de los dos verbos, blah, 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 blah. And for dinner, I eat or I have blah, 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 blah. You can say have or you can say eat. Okay? So now I will give you some time in the breakout room for you to share with your classmates. Take a screenshot. Take a screenshot.
Ready.
Ready?
Ready.
So go ahead and talk. Oops, oops, oops. Go ahead and talk. Go ahead and talk. After when you come back, you will share with me. What happened, Hazel and Roxana? Hazel, Roxana. ¿Qué pasó?
Es que mi niña estaba incómoda, entonces la levanté y no pude entrar a la sala.
Ahorita, give me one moment.
Sorry, teacher.
No problem.
Thank you.
Pasha.
What do you have? What do you have for lunch?
Who? Everybody answer the question. What do you have for lunch? Don't be quiet. Practice, practice.
I eat chicken with rice and Coca-Cola.
And a Coke.
Okay. What do you have for dinner?
I eat fried beans with cream and bread and coffee.
Okay.
Fried beans. Fried beans. No
Fried
free.
beans.
Fried beans.
Fried beans.
Mm-hmm. And the rest, come on, ladies. Speak, speak. Crystal.
What do you have for
Priscilla.
dinner, Karen?
Rice, beans, and I cream, and I bread. What do you?
Okay.
Pardon. How about you? Jose?
For dinner or for breakfast? Sorry.
Dinner.
Dinner. Okay. I eat breakfast. Perdón.
Tea.
Yes, only that.
Tea
It's
with
my
bread.
breakfast. Yes.
Oh, okay. What do you have for lunch?
For lunch, chicken, rice, and salad.
And you, Daniel.
And on this day, for my lunch, I don't remember, rice.
Today only.
Wait, I don't remember. Rice and teacher how to say albóndigas.
Meatballs.
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 Rice and meatballs and salad. Teacher to say tortilla es tortilla.
Tortilla. Tortilla. Yeah.
Okay.
The same.
And one tortilla.
And you, Enrique, what do you have?
Chicken. Grits.
Rice.
I drink juice. The tamarindo. That's all.
Okay. Marisol, what do you have for lunch?
I had for lunch chicken, potatoes, and white rice, salad, and juice.
Samuel, what do you have for lunch?
I have lunch is meat with salad, orange juice.
Orange juice. Why do you have the
Soda.
cameras? Why do you have the cameras off? Turn them on.
Teacher, what do you say frijoles licuados?
That will be, well, those are the fried beans.
Fried beans.
You blend them and then you fry them. Fried beans.
So.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah, much better. Much better. Vemos caritas. I continue. Uy, aquí está.
What do you have for dinner, Guadalupe?
What do you have for dinner?
For dinner, I usually eat pupusas. Sometimes I eat 3 or 4 pupusas. Or I eat, I buy another tacos for 7 tacos.
7 tacos.
Eat a lot, I'm sorry. And I drink chocolate or I drink Coca-Cola or orange juice.
Okay. I for dinner eat
Hello, Roxana. Ahorita. Go ahead.
No me he dado cuenta que lo tenía mudo, sorry.
English.
Okay. What do you have for dinner?
I dinner coffee with meat and bread or bean free.
Fried beans.
Bean fried.
No, fried beans. Fried beans.
Fried bean or tamales.
For dinner?
Or dinner.
Okay.
Or ¿qué más? Or meat with cereal.
Okay. Okay. I drink coffee for dinner.
Yes, with meal. Usually with meal.
Okay.
That's a lot of food.
Ah.
I know.
Guys.
Hi. Recording in progress.
Teacher, I'm
Hi.
right.
What? What?
Usted ahora se encuentra en la sesión principal.
Teacher, si nos desconectamos es porque ahí viene el agua.
Teacher, voy a meter la ropa, no va a mojar.
Es cierto, teacher, que está como que ando llover.
Okay, Roxana. How do you say in English? Parece que va a llover. El cielo se
It's
está
rain. It's rain.
Hablen fuerte, por favor.
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay. Now report. Share with me. What did you find out about your classmate?
Repeat.
Tell me about your classmate. Share with me. What do you remember?
Miss Aura told us that she drinks very much tea.
A lot of tea, a lot of tea. She drinks a lot of tea. Okay. Isaura, where are you, Isaura?
Enrique estaba
I'm here, teacher.
Where are you? What is your favorite tea?
I like everything tea, flavors tea.
How do you say todo tipo?
Kind
Todo
of. No.
kind of is más o menos.
Ajá.
All
No sé
kinds.
cómo se dice. All kinds.
All
Okay.
kinds. Oh, you like all kinds of tea. All right. Okay.
Yes, I am addict.
A tea addict. Okay. Yeah, Jocelyn, go ahead.
Enrique talk about eat
What?
scrambled eggs and fried beans.
For breakfast, for lunch,
for
or
lunch,
for
for lunch, for lunch.
lunch?
No, for breakfast.
Well, yeah. Scrambled eggs for lunch will be a little bit strange, right? Well, I have eaten scrambled eggs for lunch sometimes.
Yeah.
Now, Enrique Lopez, what can you tell me about your classmates? What do you remember?
Jocelyn, that for breakfast, he has
She has.
fried beans, scrambled eggs, bread, and milk.
Milk. You like milk, Jocelyn?
Yes, I like it.
milk. All right. The only time I drink milk is when I eat cereal. That's the only time.
With cereal, I don't like. It's so cold.
What? But you have to eat cereal with milk. Have you
Only cereal.
Guys, have you ever eaten cereal with chocolate? Who has eaten cereal with chocolate?
Me.
Yes.
It's
Cereal
good,
with
right?
chocolate.
Yeah.
Only Nesquik.
With Nesquik? Okay. No, but I mean chocolate, the drink, right?
No.
No? Or with coffee? Cereal with coffee?
How do you say por separado?
Separated? No, you have to put it together. Cereal with coffee is delicious too.
No, teacher.
I
Or
recommend that.
separated.
Yes, family, it is.
Cereal? Milk.
No. Cereal, milk.
No.
Yeah.
Cereal, Coca-Cola. With Coke.
Okay. All right. That might be good. A big explosion by your stomach, but it might be
Yeah,
good.
big explosion.
All right. All right.
And tasting good.
For lunch, Maruchan with tosteca.
With what?
And
With
one piece
tosteca.
cheese.
Tosteca.
One piece cheese.
Maruchan with tostecas.
You like chili, right? Jocelyn, you're gonna have a big gastritis when you are 30 years old. Be careful with what you eat.
All day.
Still. Anyways, now let's move on. Remember these guys? Remember in some classes before we talked about adverbs of frequency? If we do something every day, you use always, right?
Always.
What's the second one?
Usually.
Usually.
Normally or generally.
General.
Pause.
Often.
Pause. Relax.
Sometimes.
Usually. It's not usually. No. Usually. Usually. Normally.
Normally.
Generally. Often.
Often.
The letter T is not pronounced. La T se omite. In this case, often. Frequently. Sometimes. Occasionally. Seldom. Rarely.
Never.
Josué, can you read first example?
For example,
Okay.
I always wake up at 6 o'clock. I usually
Always,
come home after work.
I always wake up at 6 o'clock. You always
Yeah.
say, right? Monday.
I don't mean teacher for
No
the
le
rain.
escuchamos.
Audífonos. Put on the audífonos.
No, es que se le corta, teacher.
Hello, hello. How about that? Next.
No,
Se le corta un poquito, teacher.
Hello.
Are you listening to me?
Yes, I can hear you. Can you hear me?
Yes,
Yes.
Yes, yes. That's right.
A little.
Hear me. Read the second example. Hear me. Read example number 2.
Okay. I usually come home after work.
Repeat.
I usually come home after work.
I usually come home after work. Usually se va por otro lado. Okay. Dice usually come home. Saraí, can you read number 3?
Okay, teacher. I normally swim after school.
I normally swim after school. Como 1 o 2 días a la semana. Normally. Mateo, next one.
Sure.
Mateo,
Yes,
next.
I often spend Christmas with friends.
Often. Quiere decir que en otras ocasiones la pasa con la familia y a veces con los amigos. Often. Okay. 70% of the time. Ana Guadalupe, can you read the next one?
I sometimes play tennis on the weekend.
I sometimes play tennis. Puede ser una semana sí, una semana no. Una semana sí, una semana no. 50%. Sometime. Priscilla, can you read the next one?
Occasionally eat Vietnamese food.
Occasionally eat Vietnamese food. Del mes, unas 2 veces al mes, 3 veces al mes, tal vez. Miss. Occasionally. Cindy, can you read the next one?
I seldom go to the library.
Library. I seldom go to the library means that de los 30 días del mes, solo 1 o 2 veces al mes, maybe. O una vez a la semana.
Pocas veces.
Go to the library. Delmi, next one.
I rarely listen to the radio.
I rarely listen to the radio. Ahora ya nadie escucha.
Rarely listen to radio.
Last one, please. Daniel, you hear me? Read the last example.
Okay. Never. I never listen to rock music.
I never listen to rock music. So, not rock music whatsoever. Not at all. No. Okay. These are the differences between one of them. Any questions about the vocabulary? Questions? No?
No question.
No.
Okay. So, si de los 30 días del mes, todos los días van a la escuela, which one do you use?
Always.
Always.
Del año, 6 meses, en 6 meses, o van a la playa, how do you say that?
Sometimes.
Often.
Por cierto, right? Y de los 30 días del mes, 2 fines de semana van al mercado.
Seldom.
Usually.
Usually.
Solo
Usually.
semana.
Seldom.
Seldom.
Seldom. Seldom menos. Podría ser.
Occasionally.
Normally.
Usually.
Si de la semana 6 días estudian.
Usually.
Normally.
Usually.
Normally or generally.
Normally or
Usually.
generally.
6 días de la semana. De 6 de 7.
Always.
Always, entonces.
Usually.
Always.
Normally.
Always.
Rarely.
Always.
Normally or generally.
Normally, generally, Josué, sería unos 6, perdón, unos 5 o 4.
Sí.
Always, teacher.
Usually.
Always.
Ahora ustedes están trabajando. Hey, all right, let's move on. How do you say in English con qué frecuencia?
How often?
How often?
How often?
How often?
Like if you
How
want to
often
say
do
con
you?
qué
With
frecuencia
what?
la
With
playa,
frequency.
say that. How do you say con qué frecuencia vas a la playa?
How do you say?
Did you
How
go
often
How
do you
often?
go?
How often do you go to the beach?
How often do you go to the beach?
How often do you go to the
Go to the beach.
but before we go to the how often question, vamos a ver the of the sentences.
Actualmente te ha pasado el audio al botón, porque yo quería que leer el sea un número uno.
You have to put this sentence
Activado.
in order. Number 1 says never eat fast.
Julia
Julia
Julia never
Julia
eats
never eats
It's fast food.
Julia never eats fast food.
Fast food.
Julia never eats fast food. Number 2 says play sometimes.
Play something.
they
They
sometimes
sometimes play volleyball.
play
Sometimes
volleyball.
almost play
They sometimes volleyball.
play bubble.
3 cat milk hair drinks always.
Hair.
Hair
Cat
always
Her
But
drinks milk.
oh
but
drinks
Haircut.
cat
cat haircut
Always.
always.
Drink milk.
Milk.
her cat always drinks milk. Next one, walks often, that word might too.
My dad
Dad
My
often
dad
walks
walks too often work.
often walk to the work.
My dad often walks to work.
To work.
Only mama cake might.
My
My mom
my mom
usually
usually
Mom
makes
usually makes
my cake.
my coffee.
My mom
My
A
mom
cake.
usually makes cake. Social, I study rarely sciences.
I rarely study social science.
I rarely
Really
study
social
social science.
Study senses.
social science.
I rarely study social science.
Yes.
Now,
We
the in.
They
We never cheat
We
We
in the
never
never
cheat
exam.
cheat
in the
never
exams.
in the
never
exams.
In the exam.
We never cheat in
cheat in the
the
exam.
exams. So, is the correct position of the adverbs of frequency, and we place them between the subject and the verb. Yeah. We don't say, for example, Julia eats never. Julia never eats. So if you wanna say yo nunca estudio, you say oh I study never. Is that correct? I study never.
No.
I
No,
never,
I never,
I
never
never
study.
study.
¿Quién? 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 Never study, me dijeron, le faltó el subject.
I never.
I never study.
I never study. It's correct if I say Roxana plays the guitar usually.
No.
No,
What's the correct form?
Can I usually play the guitar?
Usually.
I usually play guitar.
Roxana,
Roxana usually plays the
guitar.
guitar.
Is it okay if I say Jocelyn pay never attention?
No, usually never pays attention.
Jocelyn pay attention. Yeah, good. Now, as I asked you before, we go to the how often questions. When we ask the how often, we need to use the auxiliary do if it's a face-to-face question. How often do you? You complete it with the complement. We're gonna practice our daily routine of how often you wake up early or late.
Teacher,
Yes.
what do you mean hiking?
What?
What do you mean hiking?
Hiking.
Hey, hiking.
Hiking is when you walk in the mountains.
So.
Hiking. Es la caminata en las montañas. It's not climbing, porque no la va escalando, but it's hiking. Caminata en la...
Yeah.
Yes. So, you are going to discuss these questions with your classmates. Don't forget, answer. Take a shower. How often do you eat breakfast? No, I'm gonna change. How often do you eat beans? Qué desorden, qué desorden. We're gonna write them again. Help me with the questions.
How often
Huh?
do you take a shower?
Another one?
Do you take
How often do you go to work?
How often do you go to work? All right, another one?
How often do you eating or eat
Wait, Josué, what did
dinner?
Mateo, I'm sorry, Mateo.
Yes.
How often do you?
How often do you brush your teeth?
Roxana, can you please repeat?
How often do you eat dinner?
But let's be more specific. What? What food?
Dinner. How do you say?
Have dinner.
What? Well, let's be more specific. The thing is that if you ask me how often do you eat dinner, I always dinner, right? But
¿Cómo en qué tiempo o normalmente en qué tiempo?
that would be a different question. What time do you frequently eat dinner? So that would be a question. Let's change to this. How often do you eat meat?
And apples, or bananas, or grapes, or oranges.
Do what?
What's up?
How often do you eat pusas for dinner? Another question?
¿Una pregunta?
Guys?
How often do you get up early?
Do you get up early? Another one?
How often do you wake up? How often do you wake up?
Gracias a Dios. Right?
How often do you study class English?
How often do you study English?
How often do you eat apples?
English class? I'm sorry?
When do you eat
How
fast?
how often do you eat apples?
How often do you eat apples? Okay.
How often do you exercise?
How often do you exercise? That's a good one. Nice. How often do you exercise? Another one.
How
How
often
often?
eat fast food?
How often do you eat fast food? Okay. Another one.
How often go to the park?
Auxiliary. Auxiliary. Repeat, Josue. How often?
Go
Did you
to the park. How often do you go to the park?
Yeah, how often do you go to the park? Okay. Another,
How
How
often do you go to the beach?
Actualmente se
go to the beach, all right. Another one,
How
how
often
how
did you
often do you talk to your family?
how often do you cook your family?
Talk to your family.
Go with
Oh, cook
your family.
family.
Talk
Go with your family.
Soda.
Oh, amar o cocinar.
for your family. Your
Yeah, but how often do you llama o le cocina?
talk talk
Talk to your family.
uh, to your family.
How often do you talk to your family? Okay.
Yeah.
How
how
often do
often
you
do
drink
you
a beer?
Do you drink beers? Okay.
How often do you watch TV?
You watch TV, all right. Another one.
go to the
How,
church?
how often do you call?
How often do you call? What?
Do you
How
call
often
your mother?
Do you call your mom?
Your mom.
Do you call?
um,
Okay.
How often do you go a running?
Repeat,
audio
Ana.
ahorro. Déjalo. Silenciar. Actualmente se ha
How often do you go a running?
Do you go running?
How often do you listen to music?
How often, thank you, Wendy. How often do you listen to music? What?
how
How
often
often
do
do
you
you
play
sing?
station?
You what?
How often do you play station?
Do you play video game?
PlayStation.
Do you play
PlayStation. PlayStation.
video game?
How often do you dance?
Video game.
Video game.
Play video game.
How often do you dance? Okay.
How often do you do your homework?
I hope you say always. How often do you do homework? All right, guys, enough questions. Take a screenshot.
Write it down.
Take a screenshot. Ya está escribiendo en el chat.
It's mine.
Oh, Amalia, how often do you take a shower? Do you eat fried beans for breakfast? Yeah. I don't listen. It's raining here. Okay, here is raining heavy. Hay otra.
Mañana, va
Algo.
que mañana me sale en la tarde. ¿Qué tengo que hacer mañana? Va que nada, va. No, va que mañana tengo que hacer en la
What?
tarde, va. Que
Hay,
viene mi tía Chila.
What?
Solo eso voy a hacer, va.
hay que
Ay,
revisar
me voy a entrenar. Eso no se entrena.
microphones. Microphones. Ready? Got the screenshot?
You, you.
Yes,
All right.
yes.
The breakout rooms again. Ask the questions and practice the answers with adverbs of frequency. Remember the position of the adverb. Like, how often do you wake up early? I always wake up early. How often do you eat? How often do you drink beers? I never drink beer. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. This is your time to practice. Uh-huh.
Yes, really.
Teacher,
Yo.
Josué Daniel says that he never drinks beer.
Yeah, right. You said you like
It's
coffee
a
with
very,
piquete, so
very big liar.
probably, yeah.
Karen, how often do you go to church?
Repeat me, please. I don't listen.
How often do you go to church?
I usually do.
You usually or not usually?
I usually.
Okay. Go to church. You can also say something, I mean, say a day. Additionally, like I usually go to the church on Sundays, for example. Continue.
Karen, how often do you go to the park?
Sometimes. Sometimes I go to the bar.
To a bar
And
or
you?
to the park?
The park.
Oh,
And you? Jose? Daniel.
Uh, well,
remember to answer the questions, all of you.
I never, I never go to the park. This
My feet. Next, how
Um,
often do you eat meat for dinner? Or diet?
sometimes,
Dinner.
Okay, dinner.
sometimes eat meat for dinner.
And the rest?
And you?
I occasionally eat meat for dinner.
And you? Anna?
I occasionally eat dinner. Meat
Meat
dinner.
for dinner.
Dinner.
Me, I occasionally eat meat for dinner. Next,
Continue.
how often do you eat?
What?
How often do you practice sport?
Why don't you get your microphone closer, Priscilla? The microphone. Acércaselo un poquito.
How often do you practice sport?
I seldom practice sport.
Really? You don't like sports?
I like it, but
You don't have time.
no. Yes, I have time. Well, no, I haven't.
I don't have. I don't have.
I don't have. Roxana, how often do you get up early?
Always. Oh, I always do you take, ¿cómo es? I always get up early.
Yeah. Good, 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 good.
Como dijo.
How often do you brush your teeth?
Es la tercera.
How
Yes.
often do you brush your teeth? Yes.
Brush.
Brush your teeth.
Brush.
Ah,
Brush.
Brush.
Mhm.
surely. I
Sure.
always brush
One moment.
left.
Teeth.
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 I always brush my teeth.
Ah, my.
Teacher.
Yeah. Yes, Samuel.
Okay. Excuse me. ¿Está bien como esta respuesta a esta pregunta? How often do you eat healthy? ¿Está bien la respuesta? I eat healthy once a week.
Yes.
Yes. Y también
Yeah.
se puede responder como lo hemos estado haciendo. I
Yeah.
always.
Yes.
Yes.
But the once a week expression will go at the end, just like you said. Así como la hizo, it's perfect. Once a week.
Okay.
It's a good answer.
Respondo, I always eat healthy. Está incorrecto.
No. I
Correcto.
always eat early. That's good. Or I eat early once a week.
Okay.
The only problem will be the meaning, because remember, always means every day.
Yes.
Right? Always is siempre. And once a week, it's only one time en la semana.
Sí,
So it will
yes.
depend. But yeah, the
Okay.
expressions are correct. Continue.
How often do you eat fast food?
I am usually nice. I am eat fast food usually too.
Wait, pause. Maritza, tell me. Remember, no tenemos que usar el verbo to be siempre. El verbo ahí solo es comer. ¿Cuál era esa? ¿Cuál decían?
How often do you eat fast food?
How often do you eat fast food? Entonces, I am, no. El
I am
no va ahí. El am no va. I eat. El verbo es eat. Vaya, así es siempre. I always eat fast food. O I sometimes eat fast food. Pero el am no va ahí.
Thank you.
Okay, teacher.
Thank you, teacher.
Continue.
Hi.
Hi. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. All right, we're gonna have some volunteers to answer the questions. 3 or 4 volunteers. Number 1.
Me. Me.
Okay, Daniel, we're gonna start with Daniel, then Jocelyn, and then Josue. So guys, ask questions to Daniel. How often do you?
How often do you?
How often do you watch TV?
Watch TV.
Wait,
I always
it's
watch TV.
Daniel is ahí. And Josue?
Again, Josue.
Josue, go ahead. And then Daniel, you. Go ahead, Josue. Ya no. Joshua.
Me?
Yeah, answer. Go ahead.
What we? Okay.
Answer.
How often?
How often do you watch TV?
I always watch TV for the news.
For the news, okay? More questions to Josue. Come on, ask questions to Josue.
How often do you take a shower?
I always take a shower. I always
How
take a
often do you
shower.
play video game?
The video games, I always play the video games.
All right.
When do you go to work?
Another one?
How often do you call your mom?
Call.
Next question.
Call. How often do you call your
Hello?
mom?
How often do you call your mom?
Se frizó. Le cayó el rayo.
Ah.
Joshua? Are you back?
I usually call with my mom.
Call my mom. Call my mom.
Call my
How
mom.
often do you drink beer?
Sometimes.
Sometimes on Fridays. All right. Thank you. Thank you, Joshua. Now, Daniel, your turn. Ask questions to Daniel, guys.
Okay.
How often do you drink coffee?
I always drink coffee all the days,
Every day, every day.
every day.
How often do you get out early?
Get up, get up.
Get up early. Get up.
I always get up early.
Okay.
Daniel, how often do you exercise?
I do exercise 3 or 4 times a week.
3 or 4 times a week. All right. 2 more questions for Daniel.
How often do you study English?
I always study English every day.
How often do you go to the park?
I hardly ever go to the park.
All right. Now, Jocelyn, ask Jocelyn.
How often do you go to the beach?
I never go to the beach.
How often do you listen to music?
Always. I always listen to music.
Yeah, I can tell.
In the morning, in the afternoon,
How-
at night.
Okay.
How often do you go hiking? Go hiking.
Yeah.
Where is that hiking?
Walking in the mountains, caminar en las montañas.
I never go.
How often do you go to work?
Repeat, please.
How often do you go to work?
Oh, I never go to work because I go.
I don't work.
The university.
At the university. All right, 2 more questions for Jocelyn.
How often do you dance?
Always. I always dance.
How do you say in English, guys? How do you say in English? Se le nota. Not only in this context, but when you see someone, y le dice, se nota, o se le nota.
You see?
You
I
have,
noticed.
you have 2 possibilities. You can say, I can tell. I can tell. Or I can see that. I can see that, or I can tell. I can tell.
I
So
can see
Jocelyn,
that.
how often do you go dancing, or how often do you dance? Right? All the time. Yeah, I can tell. You can see that. You look like a person who likes music a lot. One more volunteer to answer the questions.
Xiomara.
Okay, Roxana. Xiomara. All right, Roxana. Ask questions to Roxana.
How often do you sing?
Do you?
Sing? Oh, sing.
Sing?
Sing? Sing.
¿Canta o peca?
I always do you sing.
How often do you sing?
Yes.
Okay,
How often do I usually sing.
all right.
How
Another one?
often do you brush your teeth?
I always brush your teeth.
Okay.
How often do you listen to music?
The music.
Listen.
Yeah.
Repeat.
How often do you listen to music?
I always listen to music. I like.
You love it. Okay.
I love it.
Come on. More questions.
How often do you drive?
Wait, how often do you take a shower? Said Delmi. How often do you take a shower?
I always take a shower.
Maritza, can you repeat your question?
I'm sorry. How often do you drive?
Do you drive?
Drive?
Yeah, drive.
Drive.
I always drive.
How often do you cook?
Cook. Cook. I always cook.
All right. Tengo hambre, niños.
How often do you go to the shore?
To the church.
Sure.
To the shore.
I occasionally.
How often do
To the shore.
you go to
How
the
often
park?
do you drink beers?
Yeah.
I occasionally drink beers. Friday and Saturday.
Occasionally Friday and Saturdays, all right? Stephanie, what was the question? Repeat, Stephanie.
How often do you go to the park?
Go. How often do you
Go to the park.
Go to the park.
Sorry.
I occasionally go to the park because my children's I like.
My children like it.
My children like
it. Yeah. All right. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much for cooperating. Now, let me explain something to you. Remember that when we use the simple present for third person singular, what are the three forms of the third person singular?
She, he,
Yeah.
it.
She eats.
He,
She
She, it.
eats.
So,
Silenciar. Actualmente se ha reactivado el audio.
simple present, third person singular.
Audio ahora reactivado. Silenciar. Actualmente se ha reactivado el audio. Altavoz.
Verbs ending in these letters, S, SH, CH, X, and O. So first of all, remember, for the third person singular, we need to add a letter S to the end of the verb, right? At the end of the verb. Cuando hablamos en el presente simple, la tercera persona de singular, él, ella o eso, le agregamos la S a los verbos, right? For example, I say, I clean the house. María.
Audio ahora reactivado.
Cleans the house.
El audio. Altavoz.
Cleans the house.
Cleans the house. I work. Julio.
Works.
Works. Right? And don't forget the pronunciation. Cleans, works. Another one, let's see.
Yo entendí, pero no lo puedo hablar. O sea, no lo sé cómo se pronuncia. Solo oigo la voz.
Con la práctica, Crystal, don't worry.
Practice again. Say it again.
I listen.
Practice with the teacher.
And Crystal.
Which one listening? Speaks.
Speaks. So for most of the verbs, we only add S. But when the verb ends in S, SH, CH, X, or O, we not only add S, but we have to add ES. Yeah. So like, for example, watch, S and CH, it becomes
Watches.
what
ES.
watches.
Watches.
Wash termina en SH, se convierte en
Watches. Watches.
Kiss ends in S, so kisses. So my girlfriend kisses delicious, right? Bugs in my dreams
My
because I
boys.
don't have a
Boxer.
boxes.
No boxer. No boxer.
Wax.
Boxer.
Boxes.
Waxes.
Waxes.
Ayuda, ¿quién necesita ayuda? Anyhow. Go becomes goes and do does. Y hay uno que se llama irregular, que es el verbo have. Third person is has.
Irregular has.
Okay.
Irregular verbs.
So, once again, we're gonna practice the how often question, but first of all, let's match the vocabulary. What's number one, people?
Milk.
Number two?
Cheese.
Number three?
Butter.
Bottle.
Number four?
Eggs.
Number five?
I don't know.
Pasta.
Pasta. Number six?
Rice.
Number seven?
Coffee.
Coffee.
Number eight?
Tea.
Number nine?
Juice.
Number
Oranges.
10?
Orange juice.
Chicken.
Number 11?
Fish.
Number 12?
Bread.
13?
Meat.
Meat.
Meat. 14?
Finito.
Wine. And the last
Wine.
one?
Beer.
Beer. So let's see.
Bottle.
Graciela,
Yes.
how often do you drink milk?
Sometimes.
There was a pandemic in the world.
Niños, micrófonos. Here. Graciela, I'm
Milk.
sorry.
Era viaje de días, no era que la pendeja mamá de estar ahí.
Drink milk.
Niños, micrófonos. Ya oí que era viaje de día, que los frijoles, que las tortillas. Come on, microphones. So, Graciela, you said sometimes, right?
Sometimes I drink milk.
So, when you report, you say, Graciela, sometimes
Sometimes drink milk.
drinks, right?
Drinks milk.
No es que lleva 3S, but it's to emphasize the pronunciation.
Okay.
Pamela, how often do you drink wine?
I never drink wine. I don't like.
Why?
I prefer beers.
Oh, okay, sorry.
Oh.
Coronita.
No. Corona,
Pamela
I don't like
never
it.
Golden.
drinks, right? Wine.
Wine.
Saraí, how often do you cook fish?
I never cook fish.
Really? Can you cook, Saraí?
No.
Okay.
Hardly ever.
All right. So you will report, guys, Saraí never
Cook.
cooks.
Cook fish.
Cook fish.
Let's see. Daniel.
Yes.
How often do you kiss your girlfriend?
Oh, I want all the day, every day.
Every day.
But,
okay.
but
So
Daniel says
Daniel
Kisses.
kisses his girlfriend
no.
all day long cuando está con ella, todo el día, all
All day
day
long.
long.
All day
Yeah.
long.
Ruth,
No,
Yes.
it's her girlfriend.
huh? How often do you watch horror movies, Ruth?
What?
How often do you watch horror movies?
Never watch movies.
Horror movies. Okay. So Ruth never
Ruth never
Watches.
watches
Watches horror movies.
horror movies.
Horror movies. Roxana,
Yes.
how often do you clean your house?
I always clear your house.
My house?
I always clean your house.
My house?
Your house.
No, la mía no.
I always clean my house.
Oh, yeah, your house, not my house. So you will say Roxana. Oops.
Rosanna always clean
your house.
No, my house, no.
her house.
La de ella.
Your
No,
house.
I know.
Ah.
Here.
Her house.
Her house. Her house.
Pues no me la manden para acá. Van a ver malos entendidos. Van a ver malos entendidos. Yeah. No. Josué. How often do you
Tell me.
tacuacín? Tacuache. How do you say tacuacín, people? I told you. Yeah, 3 days ago.
No good. I never eat tacuacín. Tacuache.
Tacuache. So Josué never.
It's
Possum.
Possum.
That's tacuacín.
teacher screenshot.
Yeah,
teacher
technically.
screenshot.
And the
I
last
don't like
one,
it.
let's see.
I don't like it.
It's delicious. Mateo,
No, it's not.
Yes,
how often do you pay attention in the class?
I usually.
Ah,
Oh.
Good.
Sincero.
Usually, Mateo, usually.
Pay attention in class.
Place attention, the class. Place attention
Space.
in the class.
Thanks.
O pages.
Love.
Microphone, teacher.
Teacher.
Profesor, explica detenido la pantalla compartida. Reunión.
No la escuchamos, teacher.
Take the picture, teacher.
Tiene el micrófono apagado, profe.
Microphone.
Allá va el botón. All right.
Nos
Well, guys,
decíamos solito.
remember, third person singular. Don't forget the letter S. We're going to continue tomorrow. Thank you so much for cooperation. Have a wonderful night, guys. See you tomorrow.
Thank you. Thank you so
tomorrow,
much.
teacher.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye. Have a good night.
See you tomorrow.
Bye.
Good
See you
night.
tomorrow.
Good night.
Bye.
Good night, everybody.
Bye.
Good night, guys.